Hey there. Today I'm going to walk you through forming an LLC without getting caught up in unnecessary expenses or complications. So, you're thinking about starting an LLC? Well, that's actually a really smart move. You see, an LLC gives you that crucial liability protection to keep your personal assets separate from your business. Plus, you get some nice tax flexibility. The thing is, while forming an LLC is definitely important, you don't need to spend a fortune doing it. Now, let's talk about what you should actually expect to pay. Basically, there are three main costs you will encounter. First, you have your state filing fees, which vary quite a bit depending on where you form your LLC, anywhere from $70 in some states to as much as $500 in others. Then there is the registered agent service, which typically runs about $100 to $300 per year. Finally, you might need some additional services like an EIN registration or operating agreement template, but these are often bundled into formation packages. So you have got two main options here. You can either do it yourself directly through your state, or you can use a formation service. Now, while the DIY route might seem cheaper at first, it can actually end up costing you more in time and potential mistakes. On the other hand, a good formation service makes the process practically foolproof and often includes valuable extras. The thing is, a quality formation service like Tailor Brands can actually save you money in the long run. You see, they handle all the paperwork correctly the first time, which means no rejected filings or amendment fees. Plus, they include features like registered agent service and compliance alerts that you would otherwise have to pay for separately. Well, when choosing a formation service, there are several things you want to look for. First, transparent pricing, no hidden fees or surprise charges down the road. Then you want to make sure they include registered agent service in their packages. Actually, this is where Tailor Brands really shines, offering a full year of registered agent service with their formation packages. You also want to look for good customer support and useful extras like operating agreement templates and annual report reminders. Now, here is how to form your LLC the smart way. Start by checking if your business name is available. This is usually free on your state's website. Then, instead of trying to navigate complex state requirements yourself, use Tailor Brands to handle your formation. They will prepare and file all your documents, serve as your registered agent, and provide you with important compliance notifications. You know what I mean when I say that mistakes can be expensive, right? Well, some common costly errors include choosing the wrong business structure, forgetting to maintain compliance, or overpaying for unnecessary services. But here is the thing, working with a reputable formation service helps you avoid these pitfalls. So here are some ways to keep more money in your pocket. First, skip the expedited filing unless you absolutely need it. Standard processing usually takes just a few weeks. Also, watch out for upsells you don't need, like certificates of good standing or fancy corporate seals. Basically, stick to the essentials: formation filing, registered agent service, and maybe an operating agreement. Well, if you are ready to form your LLC the smart way, I recommend checking out Tailor Brands through the link in the description below. They offer comprehensive formation packages at reasonable prices, and you will get everything you need without paying for stuff you don't. Now, once your LLC is formed, keeping it compliant does not have to be expensive either. Actually, most states just require an annual report and fee, which typically ranges from $10 to $300 depending on your state. Your formation service will remind you when these are due, helping you avoid costly late fees or penalties. The thing is, forming an LLC does not have to break the bank. By choosing the right formation service and avoiding unnecessary extras, you can get your business started properly without overspending. Remember, investing in doing things right the first time usually saves money in the long run. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more business tips. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and I will be happy to help you out. Good luck with your business journey.